Well, hello everybody. We are about to embark on the third of our video tours of the City Hall project, just to mark the progress we've made since September, the last time we did one of these updates. And so I'm joined by Deputy City Manager Cindy Mester, and we're looking forward to a great tour. One of the first things you'll see right up front is that George Mason is once again presiding over City Hall. So we're starting here in the front, and now we'll head on inside. Let's go.
We're going to continue the tour up via the new ADA accessible ramp into City Hall, a great improvement for citizen access. So now we've walked into Chambers Wyatt, and we have behind us the new dais for council, which will also serve the Planning Commission, the school board, and of course on court days, our judge. As we look around the room, we'll be able to see the exterior walls now, and soon we'll have the pews and carpets back in. One of the exciting things is the sort of daylighting wall. So we'll get a lot of natural light, but also have the ability to not have too much light as we're trying to conduct the city's business.
So one of the great features of this project, we're right now right outside the courtroom and the council chambers, and this is going to be a rooftop terrace that is already has the sedum planted for the green roof. But this will also be an area where people can eat lunch, or we can have, when we have public recognitions and public events, we can have the crowd spill out of the council chambers into this beautiful area where we'll have the backdrop of the copper-sheathed council chambers, but also great views of Cherry Hill and the parkland.
And we're making great progress in the central lobby. We've got the ceiling tiles going up, the HVAC and the lighting, and the new elevator is installed on both the east and west wing. All three elevators will be brand new as part of this construction.
So here we're standing by what will be the garage entrance for the public safety garage. And so police vehicles will enter the garage, or public safety vehicles will enter the garage through this way, exit through this way, and then out towards Park Avenue, right through this spot. These bollards will protect a card reader for controlled access to the garage. So now we're on the garage level, and behind the camera is the new covered garage where all our public safety vehicles will be parked. And this is actually the sally port where prisoners will be transported to get up to the court. All right, well, thank you for joining us for this third tour of our progress on the City Hall Public Safety Project. Again, this project is really designed to make our City Hall more accessible, more safe, and a better place for the public to do its business here in the City of Falls Church. So we want to thank our HIT construction team, Studio 27, our architect, and our wonderful Falls Church project management team. And we're making good progress, and it's great to relay that to all our viewers right now.